So scared, and I'm like, okay, I'm done. I have like cancer in my lungs, and I'm gonna die next week. And I'm like, fuck that shit. I feel horrible. But my body physically feel horrible back then. And I'm like, I feel better when I was smoking.
Yeah.
I feel better. I was in a normal mood. I was normal. I wake up in the morning, drink my tea, eat my breakfast, go to work, whatever happened, I'm happy, whatever. And I stop smoking, and I cannot get out from bed. I'm coughing, I feel like shit. Everything is hurt from my toes to the fucking my hair. I was
How long
no
did that last for?
for like a month.
Until she started doing crack, and then it was all okay.
She started hanging out with Venuti.
Yes.
Yeah, because it's funny because
I hung out with Renee one time, and I think it was my fault. She relapsed. It was me and Carl. Carl.
But don't
took
everybody
Venuti
know
out.
Venuti here?
So it's your fault that he got fired and he's back on crack now.
It was a little bit of my fault.
So
I
after
bought
that
him
month,
2 beers.
did you? Yeah,
I bought
after
him
that
2
month,
beers and a shot.
You got back
And
to
Carl
normal.
and I were like, we gotta
It
go.
took like a month
He was
to,
like, I'm
like,
gonna
go
stay.
through the process.
Next
And
thing you
then
know,
someone
he
said I
didn't show
start
up and
smoking
shit.
again.
Oh yeah, I've done that with him. I've been out with him, and he's like, "Oh, I'm gonna stay," and then no more.
Every third day, and
You know